Hello traders, hope you're doing well. There are some important developments in the global market which might impact our stock market as well. So it's important that we discuss about this first before we analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty chart for tomorrow. The first important update is the geopolitical tension between Iran and Israel. Now Iran foreign minister has clearly said that our defensive strike is over. We are not going to attack Israel again. At this point of time, we cannot guarantee if Israel will retaliate. But in case they retaliate, definitely this will create a bigger pressure in the global market. Now, one more important market development is about gold. Now, if you just see the gold rate for the last 15 days, 22 karat gold on April 3rd, it was around 64,000 for 10 grams. Now it has come to 68,400. This is as of 16th, but on 17th again it has gone to 69,000. 24 karat gold has gone up to 75,600 rupees, but during the first week of April it was near 70,000. Now China real estate market is down. People are investing in gold. Same way, China Central Bank, Russia Central Bank, Turkey Central Bank, even in India, everybody is importing a lot of gold. Now all of these big countries, they are dumping US Treasury bill and then buying gold. This is definitely a positive news for gold. Now in the current market condition, definitely we cannot expect any rate cuts in the month of June or July. Maybe in the month of September or November during the election we can expect rate cut. Until then there will be pressure in Indian rupee. Now when it comes to India, we are one of the biggest importer of gold and oil. Now if you see recently even oil price has increased from $90 per barrel to 93 to 95. This will definitely have impact in the Indian market. Taking all of these factors into consideration, what I've done is I've booked my profits in some of the stocks except Gold Bees and Gold Own Company and some 2 or 3 pharma stocks. And I'm thinking to invest this money in some kind of bond and hold it on there so that in case market corrects, then I can re-enter the market with better value. Everything that I've discussed right now is based on the information what I've gathered, and this has to be treated just for educational purpose only. This is not any kind of investment advice. What I'm personally doing, I'm just letting you know. That's it. Now let us quickly discuss about what happened in yesterday's Bank Nifty expiry and then analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty chart for tomorrow. Now traders, on Tuesday, both Nifty and Bank Nifty opened with a very big gap down. But if you remember, my view was bearish for Bank Nifty. But before that, I expected Bank Nifty to correct before the fall. This clearly even in the thumbnail I had explained. During the first half, I expected a momentum in Bank Nifty and Nifty towards the upside. But since market opened with a very big gap down, the first thing what we did is we identified important support and resistance level somewhere around 930. This details was shared in our private Telegram group. After sharing these levels, I said another gap down. We will wait for some time to understand the market sentiment. Now somewhere around 10:30, I said my view about the market is not bearish. I'm going to share the video with my logic. Now when I shared this video about Nifty, I said Nifty is facing resistance exactly near the level which we had discussed. But at the upper level, people would have entered put option looking at this breakdown. So my expectation is from the current level, instead of moving towards the downside, Nifty can either stay sideways or it can move towards the upside. Now in the next video which I shared about Bank Nifty, I explained all the logic behind from the current level. Bank Nifty has a potential to move towards the upside. Now if you open Nifty chart, what you would observe is from the level which we discussed, Nifty again came to the resistance level. So looking at this breakdown, anyone who would have entered put, definitely they would have ended up in loss during this reversal. Now the same thing with Bank Nifty. This is the level from where I said Bank Nifty has a potential of moving towards the upside, but not until this resistance. I expected Bank Nifty to make even bigger movement, but Bank Nifty, it created a double top. From there we could see a correction towards the downside. Now even though Nifty was respecting our resistance level, we expected it to move towards the upside, but after Bank Nifty creating a double top, Bank Nifty fell. This created more pressure for Nifty to move towards the downside. Now in the further update which I shared also, I said my expectation is Bank Nifty after this retest, it has a chance of moving towards the upside. At what time I shared this? Somewhere around 1 o'clock. If this happens, even Nifty can follow. Even though Bank Nifty was holding on to this range, Nifty was continuously moving towards the downside. Somewhere around 110, I decided to exit my trade. You can see my entry time and exit time. And I clearly said even though I'm expecting a short covering rally in Nifty to support Bank Nifty's view, market is just playing games with us. right? You can clearly see market was just playing games with us. Even though both Nifty and Bank Nifty gave the short covering rally as per our expectation, by the time we got this rally, I had exited from the trade because market was playing games with us. At that point of time, for me, protecting the capital felt more important. So I exited the trade with just 10 points loss. That's okay. Let us see what kind of trading opportunity we have for tomorrow. Now traders, after looking at both Nifty and Bank Nifty chart, I'm having a strong feeling that the market can create a dead cat bounce. Now what does dead cat bounce mean? For those of you who don't know, market from the upper level, let's say there was a continuous fall, right? After this fall, market can bounce a bit. Later, it can continue the trend. Now this movement, what you see, this is called a dead cat bounce. You can check about this more online. Now with this concept, I'm looking at Bank Nifty chart where continuously Bank Nifty was taking support and it was smoothly moving towards the upside. Suddenly what happened? There was a negative news in the global market and also geopolitical tension. This triggered a big gap down in Bank Nifty. Because of further negative news, one more gap down. Because majority of the people's mindset about the market right now is negative. But in terms of price action, let's say market broke this level. After breaking this level, usually it at least retests this level and then continue the trend. But that did not happen because of the geopolitical tension and other negative news. But on the expiry day, market has closed even after the gap down. It has given a closing above the day's opening. Looking at this closing and using the concept of dead cat bounce, I feel Bank Nifty can make a momentum towards the upside tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and later it can continue the trend. Now coming to the second reason why I think Bank Nifty has a chance of moving towards the upside. See, continuously market fell, right? People looking at this gap down, they feel if I had held on to a put option trade during this gap down next day when market opened, big profits I could have made. So with that view in mind, there might be some people holding put option trade. If they hold put option trade, maybe stop loss is somewhere here or here. In case market opens somewhere here or here tomorrow, all of these people might be trapped if there is a continuous momentum in the market towards the upside. Looking at all of this, I feel there can be a small correction in Bank Nifty and Nifty towards the upside. Maybe after that, it can continue the trend towards the downside. Now on this Bank Nifty chart, you can see this is the recent gap which market is yet to fill. Tomorrow if Bank Nifty opens somewhere here or here and it holds on to the upper range, and if it gives a breakout, then with small stop loss, I'll be looking for a call option trade so that even if market moves towards the upside, the next target can be 48,200 and then 48,400. So this area can be the first target and this area can be our second target and this level will be our third target in the market. In case Bank Nifty opens within this range and if it is just consolidating, then it is better that we avoid any kind of trade in the market. Now what if market opens with a gap down? I feel the final area from where Bank Nifty can make a pullback is from 47,000 because this is a psychological level. In case Bank Nifty opens with gap down, put option buyers will enter, then later we can see a momentum towards the upside. Now, if you draw the Fibonacci levels, you can see this is our 236 level of Fibonacci. So market from this level, it has a potential of moving up to 47,978, 48,182, and finally it can reach 48,300. This is extreme bullishness. This move I can also consider as a dead cat bounce. Later, Bank Nifty can correct. So at the upper levels, if market comes out of 236 level zone, I'm looking for a call option trade in Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty is just consolidating within this zone, then it is better that we avoid any kind of trade. And if Bank Nifty opens with a gap down again, extend this Fibonacci level and from the supporting area, I will draw a trend line like this, and whichever level Bank Nifty gives a breakout, immediately at this breakout, instead of entering, I'll wait for a pullback, and then if market breaks the level, then with small stop loss, I'll be looking for a call option trade. That time I cannot target 48,200 level, maybe it can only move up to 47,780 area. Now I hope you have understood the logic behind why I feel market can move towards the upside. My view can completely be wrong, but since we do not take BTST trade, we have nothing to worry. In case the view changes, we will identify important support and resistance level in the market. We will discuss about that, and during the live market, I will share my view in the private Telegram group. Okay. As of now, I feel there is a dead cat bounce movement possible in Bank Nifty. That view in mind, I'm going to approach the market tomorrow. Now traders, this is a chart of Nifty 15 minutes time frame. In Nifty also you can see continuously this level was acting as a supporting area. After this breakdown, because of negative news in the market, continuously Nifty started falling without giving any kind of pullback. So I personally feel in Nifty also we can expect a dead cat bounce. Please mark all these levels on your chart: 22,086 and 21,996. I feel these two are the crucial level from where buyers can become active in the market. Now in Nifty, I feel if it opens somewhere here or here, after filling this gap, if it holds on to the upper range and gives a breakout, then with small stop loss, we have a call option trading opportunity where this will be our first target, 22,400, and then Nifty also has a chance of filling this gap. Later point of time, we can see a momentum towards the downside. If Nifty directly opens with a gap up, we will just wait for some time. After consolidation, if it comes out of this zone, then we will plan for a call option trade. In case market directly breaks this level, and then if it breaks the day's low, then either with small stop loss we will plan for a put option trade, because after filling this gap market can correct. With that view we can enter put option, but for this I feel the risk reward can be 1:2. That is the maximum risk reward I am expecting right now. Now Gift Nifty is indicating our market to open somewhere near 22,155, which is expected somewhere here. Of course this can change tomorrow morning, but in case market opens at this upper level, it has a potential to move towards the upside. With that view, even in Nifty, I'm more inclined towards call option rather than put option. Now tomorrow during the pre-market report, if my view changes, definitely my team will keep you updated in the Telegram group. You can scan the QR code. The link is also provided in the description box below to join the Telegram channel. Now traders, this is my view about the market. If you enjoyed the analysis, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.